Welcome to 4380 Camp Geary Lane in the coveted subdivision of Poplar Hills in Stafford, Virginia. This amazing colonial home has over 5,400 square feet. Please join us today as we point out some of our favorite features. The new owner will love this gourmet kitchen. Recessed lights, granite countertops, black appliances, built-in microwave, you've got a nice sized oven. Everything is perfectly ready for you to move in. Now, one of my features I love so much is the fact that right above the sink, you have a window that looks out to your fenced-in backyard. Right off your kitchen is a very large eating area that extends into your family room with a gas fireplace. The pantry will amaze you. Plenty of room for all of your extra appliances, baking, crafting, cooking needs. This home features a 2-story foyer. As you walk in, you have your own home office with French doors. The other side of the foyer is your living room with crown molding, beautiful windows that feeds into your dining room with a bay window. The owners have loved their primary suite. It's been their own little oasis. Hardwood flooring, a beautiful walk-in closet, extra area over here for a library or a sitting nook for reading. This has been one of their favorites of this home. The primary ensuite is fabulous. You have a walk-in shower, a separate soaking tub, 2 separate vanities, mirrors and lights, and your own walk-in water closet. With so many working from home now, it's so nice to have a second office right off of your primary bedroom. The upper level also includes 3 additional bedrooms, hardwood flooring, 2 full bathrooms. 1 bathroom is attached to both bedrooms, and a laundry area with plenty of room for storage. The lower level includes a full bathroom, a walkout basement, carpeting, plenty of storage, an amazing moving room with recessed lights, plenty of seating and surround sound, and a room to entertain your guests. Right off your kitchen, your beautiful French doors, is your deck. Plenty of space for entertaining. You actually have stairs downstairs to another area for entertaining. The backyard is fully fenced, and you'll see the special feature we're going to show later. One of my favorite features is this home gym. The interesting thing is this home gym is actually outside of the house. It's wired for internet, it has AC, and as you can see, they enjoy their movies while they work out. We hope you enjoyed this tour today of this amazing colonial home, over 5,400 square feet on almost 7 acres of your own land. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.